Ducati's unveiling of the new Panigale V4 range marks a significant leap forward in the world of superbikes, blending advanced technology with the brand's storied racing heritage. The 7th iteration of Ducati's Panigale lineup represents not just a fresh design, but a concerted effort to enhance performance, handling, and rider experience. The new Panigale V4 makes an immediate visual impact, thanks to its revised styling which pays homage to Ducati's illustrious past while embracing modern aerodynamic principles. The shift from the single-sided swing arm, a hallmark of the Panigale V4 since its introduction in 2018, to a double-sided shell-cast aluminum swing arm is particularly noteworthy. This change not only contributes to a visually distinct rear end but also serves a functional purpose. The large cutouts in the swing arm expose the 17-inch rear wheel and reduce lateral stiffness by 37%, enhancing traction and rider feedback, crucial for optimal performance when accelerating out of turns. This redesign contributes to a reduction in overall weight by 3.8 kilograms compared to the previous model. The new design also features a more aggressive front end with a narrower headlamp layout reminiscent of the Desmosedici Stradale R. The mirrors are now integrated into the front fairing, eliminating the need for blanking plates during track use. Additionally, the front end has been raised by 25 mm, and the rear bodywork has been lowered slightly, optimizing the bike's aerodynamic profile and improving rider ergonomics. The extended tailpiece reduces the need for an extensive number plate bracket, offering more freedom of movement for the rider, beneficial during track riding where agility and quick direction changes are paramount. Central to the new Panigale V4's performance is its refined Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine. The Euro 5 Plus compliant 1103cc engine maintains the same displacement but incorporates significant changes to enhance performance. The engine is now 1 kilogram lighter, and peak power is achieved 500 RPM higher than before. Although peak torque has slightly decreased and occurs at a higher RPM, the overall power output has been increased to a claimed 224.9 brake horsepower when paired with the optional Akrapovic exhaust system. This exhaust system not only boosts power but also sheds 6.6 kilograms from the bike's total weight. The engine continues to be mounted as a stressed member of the chassis, utilizing Ducati's distinctive front frame that attaches the engine to the front end of the motorcycle. This design approach contributes to the bike's rigidity and overall handling dynamics. The Panigale V4S model is equipped with a suite of high-end Öhlins suspension components, including NPX30 forks and a TTX36 shock absorber. These components are complemented by a new steering damper designed to mitigate unwanted oscillations and enhance stability. The suspension setup can be finely tuned via the new 6.9-inch full-color TFT dashboard, which features advanced hydraulic spool valves that offer a greater range of adjustment for road and track modes. The reduction in unsprung mass is achieved through the use of forged aluminum rims, with Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP V4 tires. These components, along with the new Brembo High Pure calipers, 30 grams lighter than the previous style Moss, contribute to improved braking performance and agility. The new calipers bite onto 330mm discs, providing enhanced stopping power and feedback. The V4 is equipped with a sophisticated suite of electronics, managed by a new 6-axis IMU. This system controls traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and launch control, offering a comprehensive range of rider aids designed to optimize performance and safety. Notably, the new Race ECBS combined braking system, developed in collaboration with Bosch, introduces a novel approach to braking on track. This system encourages the use of rear braking, which helps to stabilize the motorcycle and enhance cornering performance. Riders can choose from 7 levels of intervention, with the option to manually apply rear brake pressure, up to 15.5%, allowing for a tailored braking experience based on track conditions and riding style. The new Ducati Panigale V4 represents a major advancement in the superbike segment, blending cutting-edge technology with Ducati's racing heritage. From its redesigned swing arm and refined engine to its advanced suspension and braking systems, every aspect of the bike has been carefully engineered to enhance performance, handling, and rider experience. The integration of advanced electronics further underscores Ducati's commitment to providing a bike that excels on both road and track. As the Panigale V4 continues to push the boundaries of superbike performance, It solidifies Ducati's reputation as a leader in high-performance motorcycle engineering.